Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Ascent. Now things seem to be moving very slow with this development. You see that reddish looking building straight ahead? That building is to be demolished, and the building to the right, which is the blue building, that building is also to be demolished. And then this, with the buildings demolished and this open lot here, this is where the Ascent is going to be built. Now the Ascent is a massive building, 27 floors. It would have been the tallest building in Jamaica if it was built on time. Now at 27 floors, it's going to be the second tall, or the fifth tallest building in Jamaica, because they're building 4 buildings in Montego Bay that are 28 floors. So those 4 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the Pinnacle number 5. The 4 buildings are part of the Pinnacle development. And this building, the Ascent, would be number 5. But it got approval some time ago, and they haven't really gotten started yet. But we'll keep you guys updated on the project. As you can see, nothing really is going on here. Behind these containers is also a part of the development, but they're using it as a parking lot right now. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. You can leave your comments in the section below. If anybody knows what's going on with this development, leave your comments in the section below. And in the background, that's the One Belmont building. And this building is, the Ascent is going to be in New Kingston, prime real estate. You can see all these tall buildings around it. So I'm sure, and One Belmont is 9 floors and it's fully booked out. So there's definitely a demand for the space in this area, as New Kingston is prime real estate. It's the business capital of Jamaica, basically. I like to say it's the Wall Street Jamaica. So at 27 floors, it's going to be a mixed use building. Some floors will be residential, some floors will be commercial. And I think I even heard they might have a hotel in there as well. But people will definitely rent the building, as there is a high demand for space in New Kingston. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day. And leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about the delays and why you think it's delayed. Alright guys.